Hey there, it's Brittany, and I'm back with more items from a local bead haul. I went back to Al's about a week ago and to Bead World in Phoenix, and I just want to kind of show you what I got. First thing I picked up when I was there was this strand of Magnesite. It's just so bright and so pretty, and it's tapered, so each, the beads go from large to small, or small to large to small again. It's just such a cool strand. I mean, you could just put that on a necklace and go on with the day, but I'm not gonna do that. But we'll see what comes from that. And then right next to them, well, not maybe right next to them, but very close to them in the store were these. And I don't know, they just spoke to me that day. I really liked this big orange one right here, so I was like, I want that strand. I actually had a different strand in my hand, and I asked, I think his name's Matt, to hand me a different strand. But I just loved all the different colors. You can split this up, you can use it. Again, it's tapered from smaller to larger. I love those. Next, I got some Heishi beads. These are acrylic, and when I was looking at them, I was like, those look like 90s like bathroom marble to me. But I really like them, so I was like, I have to get them. They're very cool, very neat. I just remember seeing that my parents had a bathroom counter that was that faux marble look, like that same color scheme. Then I got some shell little, they're not cubes, but they're not rounds, so they're crowns or rubes. I don't know what's the word for that. So soft cubes, I guess, but I really liked them. I thought those were really cute. And then last but not least from Al's, I got these really neat shells, and I thought, they would be fantastic as bead caps. So I'm going to use them to surround some pearls. I already have like a necklace and or a bracelet in mind. Just gotta get it out of the mind and into reality. So I thought those were really neat. And then we'll move on to Bead World. Bead World is in Scottsdale and in Phoenix. They have a website too, and I think you can get free shipping if you spend $35. And then every holiday they put everything on 30% off, so it's pretty cool. The day that I went, wood and shell products were on sale. I got a bunch of wood stuff. I didn't get any shell. So I got these wood beads, 8mm. They were 30% off of $195. I got them in a purple, 30% off of $195. And I got them in this yellow, and also 30% off of $195. And then I bought this one, but they were not $195. These are really cool. These were $395, and they were 30% off. And then they had these new charms. They were 55 cents each. Got them 2 of each color. Kind of want to put them all on one piece, so we'll see how that works out. So we have red, mauve pink. I'm just like, what was with the 90s colors today? Because I feel like all of these looked like colors I saw throughout my entire childhood in the 90s that I didn't really like back then. But they look okay now. Like, I hated this color my entire life, but I like, it's okay now in little bits. I just feel like it, again, my parents and my mom did this color in their bedroom, and I was like, what were you thinking? It's like neat, but back then I guess it was hot. I don't know. So then we have navy. It's all dark primary colors. And now we have like a mustardy, tan-y yellow. And this, and then they give you a 40% off coupon that you can use on anything in the store for the most part. And I used my coupon on this artisan pendant. So we've got a rose quartz heart encased in copper with a kyanite cab right there and some more quartz up here. So I think this was $19.50 with 40% off. And it's just gorgeous. I don't have an idea for it, but I didn't have anything that looked like this. Unfortunately, I don't know who the artist is either, but isn't that just beautiful? Obviously, this is my favorite thing that I got that day. So, all right. Okay, so I wanted to add on to a local video haul that I have filmed but haven't posted yet, so I have a couple more things from 2 other shops. So I really like this shop. It's called Tierra Del Garto. It's in Scottsdale. They're an import store, and I've bought a couple things from them before, like those glass evil eye beads. But this time they had a lot of Hamsa stuff, and they were really gorgeous. And I also bought a necklace from Papua New Guinea, and it's a display piece. I'll insert a picture here. But then I got some Hamsas, and these 2 are inlaid bone. Aren't those gorgeous? I couldn't choose. This looks like apple coral to me, which I don't have any apple coral yet, but I'm thinking I'm going to get some from Al's soon. And then this one's just like a yellow and white bone. They're so pretty. They're so gorgeous. Don't they look like stained glass? Those make me so happy. Then I got 3 other ones. One is a little bit larger with a blue cab in the middle, and it's like resin with like rocks on the inside. Resin or glass. And then I got a yellow one. Aren't these so cute? And I got a red one. So I thought, you know, stock up while they had them. They had red too. Did I say red? I meant to say green. Hopefully I said green, but they had red too. Maybe that's what I was thinking of. All right. And then I also went back to Bernie's Beads in, I don't know if it's Mesa or Gilbert. I think it's Mesa. I don't know. I think it's Mesa. But, yeah, it's Mesa. Here's their address if you want to go. Tell them I sent you. And then I got some African glass because I didn't have this color. It's like an ocean blue. It's so pretty. I just love it. I love them. And then I purchased, so you guys were so excited about the Afghani pendants that I got at the bead show in Tucson, and they have them in their shop. So I got 2 of them. I got this one. It's vintage. It's so old. Love it. Got that one, and then I got this one, which is reminiscent of how they've attached the cab to this newer Hamsa. But, you know, there's one missing here. That's totally fine. It's like a little beat up. That's what they're supposed to be. They're very old, and you know, they don't make them like this anymore. So I love them. Love them. So pretty. And then just a couple other things from that store. I got a pendant, like a crushed turquoise inlaid pendant with a spiral. I think spirals are about to be very hot this year. The rest of the year, I should say. And then I got 4 copper metal beads. Just lovely. I love those so much. And then this bead, pendant. So just wanted to add this to my quick haul video. Not a lot, but really beautiful things. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for Goldie. I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. Bye-bye. Brat, you got out of the camera the second I turned it on. Hi. Hi, kitty. Oh, you hiding? Are you shy? You don't like the camera, huh? I wonder why. What did the camera ever do to you, bud? You hiding in your little pillow fort? Goldie. Come here. Come here, Goldie. All right, I'll let you hide.